Things you should know before transitioning to natural hair. If you've been thinking about changing up your hair and more specifically transitioning to natural hair, transitioning to natural hair and fully embracing your kinks and curls isn't as easy and rosy as the internet makes it seem. Your natural tresses will need quite some love, and this means investing in the right hair care products and, most importantly, the right hair tools. From detangling brushes to wide-toothed combs, bonnets, regular trimming is important, so you might as well start getting comfortable around those scissors. Getting a good trim each month will help to keep your hair healthy as you are growing it out. We understand you want that long, enviable natural hair, but length isn't the only thing to chase and look out for. In fact, length isn't a primary indicator of healthy hair. Thickness is a better way of gauging the overall health of your hair. Sometimes the main reason why most people will not notice a dramatic change in terms of length is because the ends of your hair keep breaking off at the same rate of growth. This is why it's important to keep trimming those split ends. Credit.